हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज जिस टॉपिक पे हम बात कर रहे हैं वो है आपके प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस के। आज हम जून 2012 का जो लाइब्रेरियन इंफॉर्मेशन का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन आया था उस पे हम बात करेंगे, वो हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। The initiation, selection, explanation, formulation, correction, and presentation are two stages of which model of information seeking behavior? तो इसका आंसर है कुलथाउ मॉडल। Jubilee project is associated with what? Evaluation of electronic information services. The publisher of information power building partnership of learning is ALA. In 1974, Zurbuski used for the first time which of the following term information library? Inference engine is part of which information system? Expert system, which is not related to case study approach in a research design general study. Students' visit to libraries influenced by the availability internet. State students' visit to library is which kind of variable? Dependent variable. Idiographic hypothesis is directed towards predicting the behavior of an individual. In the process of reasoning, when we start with a specific statement and conclude to a general statement, it is called inductive reasoning. Solomon 4 group design is related to pretext post-test control group design. The information network that connects universities and colleges in United Kingdom, JNET. Internet filtering is a form of censorship, which is a bulletin board services on the internet blog. Virus is a software which can manipulate data, replicate itself, damage computer. Which protocol is used in file transfer over internet? FTP. Scalar chain shows authority structure. Blair and Marin evaluation study on retrieval effectiveness of full text search is called Stairs project. In cataloging, the square brackets are used to enclose information taken from outside. Which section of AACR2R deals with several publications? Part A, Section 12. When two or more basic subjects having some relational approach form a specific subject, the relation is termed as phase relation. The concept of stopword list is relevant in the context of keyword indexing. A version of KWIC augmented with author name is called WADEX. Segmentation is associated with market survey report. State of the art report generally highlights technical aspect who propounded minimum, middling, and maximum theories of reference service. Samuel Rothstein. Even though xerography is a photocopying method, but it is called electrostatic. Codon is connected with serial. Roget International Thesaurus is a classified list of words. Information about scale and projection can be found in geographical sources, which is not the author of any reference book. Morris B. Lina. Identify the one out. यहाँ पे चार ऑप्शन दिए, इसमें ऑड वन है ESPN, which is not a part of word treatment in language dictionaries. GLOSS, where the first MPhil program in library and information service information science was started in India, University of Delhi. Corollary for second law of library science is books for all, which is not the prerequisite for a national information policy, production of national bibliography. World Intellectual Property Organization is related to United Nations. Redundancy of information is unnecessary and should be eliminated. Which sources would you consult to know the impact factor of general publication, Web of Science and SCOPUS? Research is conducted to generate new knowledge, develop a theory, reinterpret existing knowledge. Radio frequency identification is used in library for circulation of document and security of document. BIOS contain bootstrap program and convert characters to code program. Science Citation Index is published by Thomson Reuters. In the information transfer cycle, Internet is acting as primary publisher, secondary publisher, primary distributor. Methods and techniques of human resource planning include selection and recruitment, induction and placement, performance evaluation. Now we are going to do assertion reason question. Assertion is inadequate meta mandates that you do your best to act within the laws of cyberspace and society. Reason is failing to respect other people privacy is bad etiquette. Both assertion and reason are true. Assertion is modern integrated library management software offer user-friendly graphical user interface on the web. Reason is almost every module of modern integrated library management software is accessible through the internet. Both reason and assertion are correct. Assertion is open system interconnection allow connectivity of ICT component. Reason is network printer goes slow if it is OSI compatible. Here assertion is true but reason is false. Next question. Many libraries have no written collection development policy and yet have sound collection. Reason given is demand driven collection plays a strong role in having a sound collection. Both assertion and reason are true. Next question is assertion. Brown charging system is simple and less time consuming. Reason given is this permanent issue record available. Assertion is true but reason is false. The answer is given here. Next question is assertion. Collection of audio material is less used in academic library. Reason given is people consider these material intellectually less sound and fit only for recreation purpose. Answer is assertion is true and reason is partially true. Next question is assertion is introduction of TQM in library is not possible. Reason given is it require open cooperative culture and employs responsiveness for customer satisfaction. Here assertion is false but reason is true. Next question assertion is an indexing in language is an artificial language and it uses control vocabulary. Reason given is control vocabulary provide relation between and among terms. Both assertion and reason are true. Next question is assertion is marketing of information product is the need of the day. Reason given is information is a resource which consume lot of time and money. Both assertion and reason are true. Next question assertion given is colon classification is an enumerated classification scheme. Reason given is colon classification has adopted analytico-synthetic approach for the construction of class number. Assertion is false but reason is true. Next question assertion given is INFLIBNET provides document delivery service to all types of libraries in India. Reason given is modern techniques made it possible for electronic transmission of required document. Assertion is wrong, but reason is correct. Next question is assertion given is LIS education in India achieved a landmark of 100 years but quality is compromised. Reason given is unplanned proliferation of LIS school and open learning program. Answer is both assertion and reason are true. Assertion given is LIS education is not uniform throughout India. Reason given is adoption of UGC model syllabus is not mandatory. Local LIS requirement vary. Both assertion and reason are true. Next question is assertion given is there is need for library legislation in all states of India. Reason given is to make public library system independent and without political influence. Assertion is true but reason is false. Next question assertion given is the information is considered as a commodity. Libraries are not sound in finances. Reason given is all types of libraries have failed in promoting information as a commodity. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Now, the next questions will deal with match the following. Here there are given two lists, list 1 and list 2. Connemara Public Library is located in Chennai. Khudabaksh Oriental Public Library is located in Patna. Asiatic Society Library is located in Mumbai. National Library, which is in India, is located in Kolkata. Next question. IBID is some same reference cited immediately above. LOC.CIT is the same place cited. OP.CIT is previously cited. VIDE is to see. Next question. Cole and Ailes a statistical analysis. Hume is statistical bibliography. Pritchard is bibliometrics. T. Baroon is scientometrics. Next question. Thurston scale is group of judges. Semantic differential scale is matched with selection from two opposite positions. Likert scale is matched with intensity structure. Sociometric scale is matched with sharing individual preference in a group. Next question. Vidyanidhi is matched with electronic thesis and dissertation. TKDL is matched with digital archive. DOAG is matched with Digital Library of Journal. ePrints and IISC is matched with Institutional Repository. Next question. HTML file is matched with web format. PDF file is matched with text format. JPG file is matched with image format. AVI file is matched with film format. Next question. Drupal is matched with content management software. Moodle is matched with learning management software. DSpace is matched with digital library software. New generation library is matched with integrated library management software. Next question. Facebook is social networking site. ResearchGate is academic networking site. OVO is video networking site. Flickr is photo networking site. Next question. Small set of dependent activities that form longest path of activity network is CPM. Delighting the customer by fully meeting their needs is TQM. Interconnecting network depicting task duration and dependencies PERT. Making better forecast, judgment and advices that is Delphi. Next question. Transaction processing is matched with clerical staff. Operation control is matched with lower level manager. Management control is matched with middle level manager. Strategic planning is matched with top level manager. Next question. Classical school is matched with Henry Foyle. X and Y theory is given by Douglas McGregor. Network charging system is invented by John Cotton Dana. MBO is invented by Peter Drucker. Next question. C.A. Carter invented sedentic cataloging. Kaiser invented concrete and process. J.P. Sharp is connected with selective listing. D.G. Coates is connected with think paramaterial action. Next question. Guidance to use RTI Act is a reference service. Orientation in use of multimedia is informative literacy. Providing user with list of information sources is documentation service. Directing the user of INFLIBNET to seek needed information is referral service. Next question. Whitaker's Almanac is invented astronomical information. Ulrich International Periodical Directory invented year of starting publisher. He started Publishers Weekly. National Union Catalogue of Scientific Serial in India is availability of V50 of Library General. Data India is information on discontinuation of New Encyclopedia Britannica. Next question. J. Thomson for library invented basic statistic. S. Halkett of J. Liang invented dictionary of anonymous and pseudonymous literature. William A. Cards introduced reference work. K.D. Metcalfe, he planned academic and research building. Last question is budget prepared using previous period budget is called incremental budget. Budget based on norms and standard is called formula budget. Budget plan integrating number of technique is planning programming budget system, and budget prepared identifying current takes independent of previous year is zero based budget. तो फ्रेंड्स ये था आज का वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो आप लोगों तक पहुंच जाए। मेरे और भी 3 चैनल्स है। एक चैनल है जो इग्नू के, जो लोग बैचलर ऑफ लाइब्रेरी साइंस करें उनको वहाँ से उसके नोट्स मिल जाएंगे। जो लोग यूजीसी नेट पेपर 1 की तैयारी करें उसको वहाँ से उसके नोट्स मिल जाएंगे। और एक चैनल है जो कि इग्नू से ग्रेजुएशन या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करें हिस्ट्री या पॉलिटिकल साइंस में तो उनको वहाँ से उसके नोट्स मिल जाएंगे। अगर आप में से किसी भी बच्चे को उससे रिलेटेड नोट्स चाहिए हो तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन पे लिख दीजिएगा, मैं आपको उसका लिंक भेज दूँगी। आज के लिए बस इतना ही था। बहुत जल्दी नई वीडियो के साथ मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू।